Maryam from Crochet Children, and today we're going to learn how to crochet Adrienne square. Let's get started. To begin, make a slip knot and chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Make a slip stitch into the first chain to create a circle. Make 16 single crochets inside the ring. And take this short tail along with you to hide it. After you made all your 16 stitches, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. And let's go to row 2. Row 2, make a single crochet into this stitch that you just made a slip stitch in. Chain 2, 1, 2. This single crochet plus 2 chains count as 1 double crochet, and in every row, this is how we make our first double crochet. And if it's too high, make a single crochet plus 1 chain. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip the next single crochet and make a double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip the next stitch and make a double crochet into the next. And continue this pattern to the end. At the end of the row, chain 4 and make a slip stitch into the second chain that we made as a double crochet. We made 1 single crochet plus 2 chains. Make your slip stitch into the second chain. And this is the end of row 2. Row 3, make a slip stitch into the next chain 5 space. Make a single crochet into the same space, a half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. And into every space make 1 single crochet, 1 half double, 2 doubles, 1 half double, and 1 single crochet. And at the end of the row, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. At the end of row 3, we should make our slip stitch into the first single crochet as I just told you. So I make my slip stitch, place a marker between the first and last single crochet. Place your marker here between the first and last single crochet and make a double crochet in this space. My first double crochet is 1 single crochet plus 2 chains. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we should work between 2 double crochets. So we had 1 single crochet, 1 half double, 2 doubles, 1 half double, and 1 single crochet. Make a single crochet between our 2 double crochets. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make a single crochet between the next 2 double crochets. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make a single crochet between the last single crochet of your current petal and the first single crochet of your next petal. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. make a single crochet between the next 2 double crochets. Here, right here, make a single crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Oops. Make another double crochet between the next 2 double crochets, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make a double crochet between the next single crochets, the next 2 single crochets right here. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make a single crochet between the next 2 double crochets right here. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make another single crochet between the next 2 double crochets. 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make a double crochet between 2 single crochets right here. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make a single crochet between the next 2 double crochets, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make another single crochet between the next 2 double crochets, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and make a slip stitch into the second chain. Our first double crochet was 1 single crochet plus 2 chains. Make your slip stitch into the second chain right here. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 4. Row 5, in the same stitch right here where we made a slip stitch, make 1 double crochet, which is 1 single crochet plus 2 chains. Make 5 double crochets into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make 4 double crochets into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make 5 double crochets into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5. Inside the next double crochet, make 1 double crochet right here. 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1 double crochet into the same space, the same double crochet I mean. 5 double crochets into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 double crochets into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Into the next double crochet, make 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet in the next space, chain space, 5 double crochets, 4 double crochets in next, 5 double crochet next, and repeat this process till the end. Continue doing this until you reach this first double crochet. At the end of the row, make a double crochet in the same space that we made our first double crochet. Right here. Right here, make a double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch into the second chain of our first double crochet. It was 1 single crochet plus 2 chains. Make your slip stitch into the second chain that you made. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn. Weaving all ends back and forth at the back of your motif and finish your project. And then cut the end of the tails. So I weaved in all ends, and this is how it looks like at the end. Your beautiful motif is ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on post notifications, write your comments down below and support me. See you next tutorials. Bye!